Here's a little tip, sharpening your saw. If you go like this and just file it in here, and it's kind of light, so you can tell it's a glaze. Get myself set up like this, and I put my thumb on the file. And what it does is I hold my hand right here and I brace with my thumb and push in. You're gonna see what happens. The bow is happening back here now, but this short part of the staying straight. And so what that does, it gets incredible amount of pressure in here. You can hear it. It's actually doing removal. It's not following the contour of the dull tooth. And that'll get you shaped up really nice. So now look at this next two. You go to just stick your file in here. It's not really gonna cut. It's gonna skim. You're gonna do about 5 or 10, 15 strokes to get it back. So get really tight, maybe an inch or two, and brace your thumb right here on the file and press in really hard. It's actually going to make a really aggressive cut on the tooth face. You can see right now, if I lift up and roll this edge out, it's got somewhat of a profile. Now I can go down, get the rest of the sharpening. So that's the tip. Just get your thumb like that and brace it. You get an extreme amount of pressure for your cut.